The 14 Fish system has a handy tool to help you see if you're on track for your revalidation. This is simply an optional tool for your own convenience and isn't meant to suggest whether you'll revalidate. It's more of a guide as to whether you're on track with the required evidence. This includes completing 5 appraisals, a colleague and patient survey. From your portfolio on the right-hand side, you'll need to click on your readiness status. A green dot will have written next to it, on track. An amber dot will have potentially behind schedule, and the red dot will have behind schedule written next to it. If you are new to 14 Fish, so have uploaded your past appraisal into our system, they will not be registered under your revalidation dashboard. This will consequently mean that the system will sometimes mark your revalidation as behind schedule because it might look as though you are missing an appraisal or your survey is embedded in a past appraisal, so to upload it into your current appraisal you'll need to scroll down the page and click on the Upload button next to your feedbacks you would like to enter. You will then have to enter a title for your survey and tick a box if the survey is GMC approved. Scroll to the bottom of the page and under Attached Files, click on Choose File to upload your survey. In the description, you can explain the results of your survey and explain what type of survey it is to your appraiser. Once you have finished inputting details about your survey, click Save. Now when you return to your portfolio, your survey results will be stored under Supporting Information in the Feedback section.